Now go and start to do push-ups. Go to the plank pose. Go to the plank pose. From plank pose to 20 counts of push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now go to the Adho Mukha Svanasana and start to work on your mat. Let's start to work on your mat.